What is up, everybody? I'm back here with another banger video here. Today we're going to be playing whirly bird. I don't know what's it called, but whatever. So let's get right into it. I have to move my iPad to play this game, so it's kind of hard. I died. Oh. Whoa. No, I died. This is so hard. No. Whoa. I'm still alive. How am I still alive? I don't know what just happened. What? What's going on? I just jumped really high. I don't know what was that. No. No! I already died. It's so hard. Ooh. Oops. No. Ooh. Ooh, I'm close. What was that cloud? Nice, I died. No! No! Boom. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh! Am I dead? Whoa. I just jumped really. Whoa. No! They did really good. Yes, 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 yes! Oh! Oh my gosh. No! Oh my gosh, where am I going? This is fun. But at the same time, it's scary. Yes. No! No, I'm dead. Oh. Nope. No! Whoa. 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 No! Hold on. Yes. No. Oh. What? Whoa. No. Who? No. Whoa. I'm trying to go in the thing. No. Woo. I don't know what that cloud does. Oh. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Nope. How do people beat this game? What? What the? I don't know what that did. I don't know what that thing did. Whoa. I don't know what that thing is. It's making me really high. Whoa. We're going so far. Whoa. What? Oh, I'm dead. How am I not dead? What? Yes. How am I not dead? That's the question. No. Yes! We're going so far. How did I die? 14,000 high score. Whoa. Whoa! Oh no. Yes. Big time. And that happened. What? This is cool. I'm going so high now. What? No. Yes. Oh, this is spicy. And that happened. Oh! Oh! That was a... Yeah. No. No. The thing is... Yes. Woo. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not drinking high enough. Yeah. No! And we're dead. Oh! Now we're going far now. What? Oh gosh. Already died. No. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!